coming home from the gym, and what do we have here? Ooh, so excited. So I bought myself the T7i, and I was super excited. I was like, looking through YouTube and everything like that, and pretty much everyone was saying which lenses you should get. So, everyone's talking about the lens kit not being all that great. So I was like, okay, well, what should I get? And it pretty much sums down to, hey, you want to get the 50 millimeter, the Nifty 50, and the 24 millimeter, right, the pancake lens. So let's open this box up. And here we go. Merry Christmas to me. All right, this is actually very small and super light. So everybody on YouTube, you weren't lying. So thanks for the accurate description of this lens. Yeah, I'm gonna take this out today and we're gonna go shoot. So let's go. If it's one thing I've learned about being in Japan, is that being bored is a state of mind, because honestly, there is always something to do and there is something for everybody here. You just have to go out there and find it. It's really not that difficult. Links to the websites that I use, and hopefully it helps you out next time you're in Japan, or if you live here and you're looking for ideas of where to go. Another thing, if you've been to Japan, then you understand how crowded these trains can be. I promise you, they try to fit like at least 200-300 people in each car, and it's incredibly crowded. And me personally, I travel everywhere with a backpack, and I finally found a backpack that works for me. So yeah, this little backpack right here, I promise you, I can wear it comfortably. I can put it in front of me whenever it gets too crowded, and it's not like obnoxious, it's not in the way, it's not super intrusive. And yeah, so if you like carrying a backpack everywhere you go, and you need something small, a little more compact, that can fit just about everything you need for the day, I'll drop the link to this as well. I promise you, you won't regret it. All right, I think I talked enough. Let's cut to the intro. So we are here in Shinagawa at the Terada Art Complex. Check out the art battle going down today. Let's go check it out. I thought it was great. I thought it was so dope. The art, everything. The fact that it was live, it was crazy. Like, amazing. These folks are super talented. Who did you think won? Who was your favorite artist? Which one was your favorite piece? Let me know, what did you think?